join I told you guys that on my program, make sure you share the program. Because I am signing. I know they are reporting it. I'm coming back to hot. That today will be very hot. Nobody should sleep. Be at alert. Moranya. Anyị na-ekwe nsu nọ n'agha. Mụrụ anya dịka azụ nọ n'ime mmiri. Agbara m unu onye ọbụla ya laba. Ndị m nkwa n'anya soro m. Anyị na-ekwe nsu nọ n'agha. Did you hear me? Anyị na-ajọ onye nọ n'ahịa. Anya. Ila barani na emegi okpo onye ya na agba ọkụ na-achụ oke. Onye uyo ya na agba ọkụ na-achụ oke. Click love and share unu. When you're not sharing, that's when they will have upper hand to tackle this matter. Agwara m unu number nwoke enwe the upper hand to tackle this matter. Be awake 24/7. Muranya. Don't relent. Raise your weapon of destruction. They are everywhere. Udele will never have peace until the day will get up life in prison. Governor Ogechi Okeke Njaka, God bless you for this video. The important videos. Udele wepute egbe niile. Wepute egbe niile hide. Ije threaten our authorities. Ne threaten civilians. Egbe ndị niile nwunda ahụ ga na-apụrụ nweche egbe ige wepụta ya. Unu ga get some important videos. You cannot wear her aware that only Haji is a threat to the society. We're a threat to George. Because George won't release here. George who told me 2 days. George is easy if another targets. Easy destroy one complete destroyer. Onyara who quite on to you no check out one. Are you gonna keep quiet? Share the program and click love and like. Governor Ogechi, thank you for this wonderful, incredible, sophisticated video you brought out. And all of you not here one more Zion came. Go to his page, watch some of his video, get a part in it, and be sending it to me. My number is online. Send it to me. I will be the walking lion that will never allow anybody to keep it. Oh, you not forget. We will not forget. We have to behave like a white man that have history that never forgets. Don't forget on the bang. Be alert. And the Genomenti authority ni onyo lati lo kujo manada to onya hunso those friends sit again because ahom onye shire mma with the thinking faculty will associate with such a person. Onyo la we enemy of a state, we enemy of us. Onyola we enemy of the enemy of you and I. Onya we threats to all of us. Ane metere nka sentiment. Onyola na support to ya. Waja ore na support to Udele. Your name should be written down boldly. Onyola na support ya that base anywhere. You should be brought to book to be questioned. Because Anyo will allow a friend to a criminal and try to investigate. They investigate them. When you're not trying to defend this kind of when you threaten the Nigerian police that you permit them, what relationship do you have with such a terror? I can't keep quiet. Oh. I can never keep quiet. Who is this one? Sure, Rena 4. Who is this? You got to comment. Comment so I will know who you are. You can't just join my program. Let me see whether I'm on this blue app. What I go? Anybody Tilishi, that means you are the enemy of the states. You are enemy of our country. Do you and a threatening an officer of the late threatening? I wish I would block this idiot that sending requests. I don't know how to block them through them sending requests. All this idiot they got I hear. Anybody support Udele should be pointed at. They are the enemies of our way. I like a number honey list guy one after another. More are going in. And when I get a check on Friday, I don't know move room with the information to move. All of them must go down. We will not relent until sanity take a get content, you go inside. The people's governor. Anybody coming for him should be included. That is it. That one I will emphasize on it tomorrow again when meeting. Push it to the state, push it to them, to the federal government. Everybody, because when you are a threat to the whole world, go and dig those important videos. And my people when they turn in a bit, none of you can with peace. As far as you know, there will be no peace. It won't get peace. What are you doing? Guys, share this program. Click love and like. Go off because all you guys are not doing what I asked you guys to do. Now share they click love. What I go? Manda accomplice. I'm a changwaka. I don't know that game. I got my style. All of them. And one yellow shobara. And one yellow shobara. One yellow shobara. Oh, she friends, yeah, that means you are monk. Ganante. Oh, you put chagala, and I'm forward the video to the people Matara. Ega Biakowa, even the George. Gebe Iben on answer, but almost sentencing her to life imprisonment. Because someone put all those his friends, Ijele. Yachere George, Yachere authority, Yachere everybody. And one on lawyer. Can I afford her? Can I share the video? Even the ones who get check they are in trouble. Because Sonya went to ya who gave you the license to hold a gun in Nigeria? Where you know that Onya get a gun is a threat to the world, to the society, to the government, to everybody I know, yeah? So why do you like to talk too much? Bye bye. Okay, can I have one okpu? Anyway, let me leave you. Let me leave you. Then you can go away with this one. In Udele, you will bring out all the guns. You won't have right to own a gun without federal government giving you the license. It's like now, my husband when a right to own a gun because he's a military. And before then, I get issue, you have the right to go and get a gun. You can't just wake up and get a gun. So, kendo to go and get a haji diegbe. Police got to Ruhana Baha diegbe. You want to go? Because you made us to understand that in when friends get who are those? He can list their names. That's another point, Governor. Take notes. Nchefu ikwu ga emege ekwu. Kende wunde friends ga ahụ. Ị ga-agbaga ha n'Orubama. You are challenging police. Who are the people sponsor to police in on? We need to know where these your gods are coming from. You want to go? You go nowhere. Agama your biggest hunchback. Makachineke. Agama your biggest problem. Nsubugi. I want all of you that can go up against me. And who so easy tell them that I will not pay back. And what I do truth. I come non elu facts. Iga what are those your friends? When egbe. Oru no mun Zion. I don't know chonka this guy put up because you know Oga for now. This guy is capable of doing anything. He's capable of good, or capable of monitoring your family member, or capable of now one day to ya with Ewe, or capable of monitoring and Gibi. He's a threat. You know, may go to war, yeah. Go to every videos. Take your time. Get the necessary and the saga lawyer. And when they judge you, let's be refreshing our people's memories. They have forgotten. And don't you Wolane defend there, put their names down. Because they are also threat to the society. They are also threat to the government. Only Wolane defend there as well. Because there's no reason why you should be defending the enemy of the state. There's no reason. I have downloaded all his videos to see Biko Governor Chineke Goziegi. You know, I don't really follow him. I don't really listen to him. I have no time to do that. What I go? So can you name Governor call Ili Ji send me? Call Ili Ji send it to me. What I go? If you don't question what they warrant, I got search your lawyer. What they warrant because I think when you have on a phone, you see the one phone on our phone here. What they warrant the state go and search his house. I will also put this thing to a conference call. Without a warrant, because when you're threatened, they get locked. I got search our lawyer. And he did a warrant to go and search his house. No stone should be left unturned. Without a warrant, don't know, search him. They did it to him in Istanbul. They discover guns. How many in Istanbul? He discover everywhere. So nobody should come here and talk otherwise. Everyone Istanbul game here. Get him in the Nigeria game here. Get a warrant, search his house, discover some things. And the one there are many things. Lemon, on a boo, na Istanbul can a booya. And when a weed, when a bone, something. There are more to locate to that, more there are more to look for. Please, if you are joining now, share my program. One police, who not target police people here. Can I make him? Because any police on here is in danger. Any police, this money not in danger. So they should not leave him like that. Chunuya with Anajo. Chunuya like one. They're capable of doing anything. Chunuya like one go hurumpo bread. Don't let this opportunity go by. I need all of them. I get sweeping under the carpet. And I call Iri. I'm okay. Oh, you joke about what do? With a warrant, I search you, yeah. Phone here should be #1 exhibit. Search you, yeah. Because only I'm going on before I happen. Now, coily. But I'm on a memory. I'm on a nobody should keep quiet. I gain one of his videos. Guys, I'm on the Ijele. But one nashi. He biakuteren ashi. He kante biakuterente. But then you need to come with the cage. Amadike. Orula no mume. Onyola no more. Onu woda shiam. Onu wuna no updates. Don't keep quiet and look me. Don't look me. I'm not a beautiful person. Forget it. I'm but follow my brain. Follow my brain. Ogechi Okeke brain. Yes. I don't need the man. I know I'm ugly. But I my brain. Chineke goes in me. Nana memma. Nye and doors on up on her brain. I don't care. But with mama, you cannot find mama like him. As ugly as I dare, I'm first lady in my husband's hand. You feel me? So, come down. When I now pass this message, we will not relent. We will never relent. Get into watch me. Ebo no na soko on. Na soko on.
For Nigeria, people go be too small. If he comes and says he's doing miracle, I will tell him you are a liar and there is nothing he will do. Nothing. In fact, you don't get policeman will go say you won't come my house. He want to tell with that day before one came to Agwu, with the guy.
You know what I mean? Police people, if you know you're watching in talk, he said he no get any policeman where go mumu come him house. Say if he try him, the gun go be like water. So una go shoot to tire. Make I talk more because I don't say majority of Nigerian police now broken they hear where. He said if any of you try enter in house, no be any of you when mumu enter his house, say that day gun go be like water. So that go shoot him go peme all of you now. He go make sure in peme pakam he's a threat to all of you. So for those of you that want to grant the bell, tell them to go before now. Even they talk about belling or bear. He need to go and bring out those guns and those his friends. Are you guys getting me? He need to go and bring out those guns and those his friends. Before anything will be start talking, he must bring out who gave him the license to own a gun in Nigeria. That is the point of contention here. Guns, see, the man they talk gun, you know be one gun, you know be two. He say in friends gather them like water. In friends gather them like water. For you to I will post the video so you go hear them. Listen.
I will make sure they sack you. After they sack you, I will.
You see, he will make sure they sack you. Authority, listen. He say he go make sure I go lose on a job. So who is sponsoring him? He should tell us. Because it's a threat to the whole world. Not even only police. His passport should be confiscated. No traveling of anywhere. His house should be searched. Everything in in his apartment should be searched. His contacts should be communicated with. His WhatsApp group should be looked into. His Telegram should be looked into. Everything that owns the app, any phone, his contacts should be... Contacts here need to be searched. Contact them. Ask them the connection he has with him, they have with him. Antonia, you're welcome. You understand what I mean? Do not underestimate anything you see contact in his phone. There should be an exhibit. They should be part of the investigation. Because this is friends he's talking about. You need to provide them. Anybody that associates with this person is a problem to our society. Let's continue.
Put you on blast.
Okay.
Okay? I will put you on blast. All the people who you offend, I then go after you.
Okay.
Buy your full family.
Okay. Did you hear? Then go buy you, buy on a whole family. It's not even only you. Now your generation, your offspring, everything that has to, any living soul in your lineage will be buying. Every living soul in your lineage will be piam. I got ice cream. So you will be aware of what I'm saying. This is not a joke. This is a serious threat. Serious threat.
Every problem.
Listen to it again. I will not say a word. Listen. Genti, Mepenti, open your ears.
And this for Nigeria, it will be too small. If he comes and says he's doing miracle, I will tell him you are a liar and there is nothing he will do. Nothing. In fact, you not get policeman will go. Say you won't come my house.
You're a brave.
He walk out there with that day before one came down.
Release again. I got more videos. Oji threatening the whole world. My police. It's a okay.